Hi, my name is Maxwell Bowman, and today I will be explaining the materials for Packet 5. We're going to be talking about reaction rates and the ideal gas law. Alright, imagine you have a kid brother. Your kid brother gets into the freezer and eats a ton of ice cream. He's a bit crazy with sugar. He's going to run around really fast. He's going to hit the wall a bunch of times. Alright, but what happens? He gets a little tired, goes a little slower. He doesn't hit the walls as much. And then the next day, your little brother brings a friend along. They both get into the ice cream again, and they start running around like crazy. They're going to bump into each other. They're going to bump into the wall. Lots of bumping. Now, after they slow down, the sugar wears off, they move around a little slower. They're not going to bump on the wall as much. Well, what do kid brothers have to do with science? Imagine instead of a kid brother, you're thinking about molecules. Let's pump some molecules into our testing chamber. You can see as we pump more molecules in, the pressure goes up. The more and more molecules we release, the pressure increases. Let's see what happens if we add a little energy, a little heat to the system. What do you think the molecules will do? First, let's take some measurements. How many times will the molecules hit the wall in 10 picoseconds? It's a very, very short amount of time. You can see we got about 280 collisions. All right. Now let's start heating things up. So when we increase the temperature, though, how is that going to affect the number of collisions we get? We're adding energy. So what could energy cause to happen? Let's see and take another sample of our much hotter molecules. And you can see we have a lot more collisions the faster the molecules are. If you're following along with the packet, you should be playing with the simulation yourself. Try changing the pressure, the temperature, the number of molecules, whether they're heavy or light, and see what happens. So we can see temperature affects the rate of reaction. The hotter our atoms are, the bouncier they are, and the more likely they are to hit each other. When they hit each other, that's where we can get some reactions. So we know temperature is on the list of ways to increase our reaction rate, but there are 4 more. Complete the reading on chemical reaction rates to find out the other factors.